Good morning, boys and girls. This is our second visit. Today, I'm going to continue sharing with you from Kate and Mac, Around the World with Kate and Mac by Melissa Paredes. So, I'm trying to get a little bit better at this. We're going to talk about a country today that is in Africa. So, before I read to you, let's sing our song about the continents. I'm trying to get rid of the glare. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia, Africa, Antarctica. These are the continents. Hopefully, you sang along with me. So today we're talking about a country that's in Africa. Yes, that's my phone just dinging away behind me. So, today we are going to meet Nadia. Nadia is from Chad, which is a country in Africa. She says, "Hi, I'm Nadia. I live in Chad, a country in Africa. I'm from the Toon people. We speak a language called Tunia. There aren't very many people who still speak Tunia, less than 5,000. For a long time, our language didn't even have an alphabet, so we didn't know how to read or write in Tunia. One day, missionaries moved to our village to learn our language and help us get an alphabet. Their names are Samuel and Claudine Nomel. I'm not sure about that. And they are from Chad too. Samuel and Claudine wanted to help us create an alphabet so that one day we could have the Bible. After all, how can you have the Bible written down if you don't even have an alphabet? Now that we have an alphabet, the Bible can be translated for us, and one day we'll finally be able to read it in Tunia. Now, let's talk a little bit about Chad. I'm going to show you where it is on the map in just a second. But there is a national park in Chad. It's called Zakoma. It is home to almost 400 different kinds of birds, including 40 kinds of raptors. This is a raptor. Claws. Can you see that? Chad is sometimes called the dead heart of Africa because of how far it is from the sea. No part of Chad touches any sea or ocean. It is surrounded by land. Most of it is in the desert. Around 1/3 of Chad is covered by the Sahara Desert. Even in the coldest part of the year, the Sahara portion of Chad stays around 90 degrees. That is hot. And that's in the coldest time of the year. In the summer, temperatures rise to an average of 113. Okay, so yeah, I would not be able to handle that. That's really hot. The country of Chad got its name from this really large lake just north of the capital city called Lake Chad. It is the country's greatest tourist attraction, and it is considered one of the most beautiful natural wonders of the world. Now here is the flag of Chad. Navy blue, yellow gold, and red. So in your journal, if you want to draw the flag, that would be an easy one. You know what's very interesting about that flag? There's another country whose flag is almost exactly identical to it, and that is the country of Romania, which is very close to Serbia, which we studied last time. So let's show you where Chad is on your map. Okay, let's get close. La, 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 la. Da, 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 da. You see that? All right. So from our song, we know that this is Africa. We also know that this country here is Egypt because we studied Egypt for a really long time. Egypt. So you should already have Egypt on your map. And what's that long river in Egypt? That's right, it's the Nile River. So if you go south, west, you will find Chad. It is right here. It's also in a tan kind of orangey color. And it does have a river here, and there's a lake. And that's what I want you to outline today on your map at home. Can you see it? Let's see. There you go. Hopefully, you got a good picture of that. All right, so really quickly, I want to go over what we learned today. Before I hit myself in the head. Here we go. Tunia is a language spoken in Chad, which is a country in Africa. Their flag is blue, yellow, and red. The Sahara Desert is takes up 1/3 of their country, and the temperatures range from 90 to 113 degrees. And the Sakoma National Park is home to 400 kinds of birds, mostly raptors. So, I hope you've enjoyed learning about Chad today. I'll see you next time. Bye!